Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Shant the Rockstar, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Rubik's Cube, which is 2x2 Rubik's Cube I have got from cubelelo.com. So I already learned how to solve a 3x3 cube, so now I'm going to learn how to solve a 2x2 cube. So this is the 2x2 cube. The 2x2 cube are really easy. We got a pack and we have also got loot. So now I'm going to unbox the pack. So the box package is really well and I love it. So I'm going to be unboxing it now to see the best quality of this. First I could see a stand. The Rubik's Cube looks really good. And I've also got an accessories box which looks really good. So this is the accessory box. Let's see what do we have inside the accessory box. So inside the accessory box we have got a cloth to cover the cube, which as you could see is Cube Lelo, and that's it is in the box. And we also got a cube manual. So this cube could be on the stand also. The stand looks really good and the cube is really good. It's turning pretty well. And now I'm going to be unboxing this loop. The loop is basically used for making the cube turns faster and will make the cube really good. So as you can see, the loop, this comes with a cap. Thank you.